Scott here from RV Solutions WA. We're a large caravan repair in Rockingham, Western Australia. We've come here today to the Bendigo Caravan Show, basically to have a closer look at some caravans to buy. I'm sure a lot of you look for caravans as well, looking at the construction, different features and what have you, and you've got to buy a caravan and make a really informed decision. Well, for us, we've got to buy about 50 to 60 caravans a year if we look to sell them, and we really have to put a lot of thought into it before we do it. Now, being that we're from a construction background, we see the end use of caravans on the regular. So we pull them all apart, see the walls off, see the chassis off, we do complete rebuilds, we do a lot. So we see the insides and outs of pretty much all of the brands. We work on about 900 plus different caravans a year, so we really do know every single caravan out there just about. What's attracted us to the Wonderland caravans is the construction is really something to talk about. It's something different. Rather than just being a stick and staple Meranti frame, like about 90% of caravans are, or just a pop riveted aluminium frame, it really is a different construction. It's a solid plywood construction with jigsaw joins. For us, as somebody who sees them in their end use and when they've done a lot of hard off-road work, very, very strong structure. Also, what attracted us to the brand as well was the finishing's very, very good. The build quality is better than we've been seeing in most. So basically, see the silicone beading here. It's really, really hard to do that, especially on a bumpy surface like that. These guys have basically got it down pat. Flat surfaces is easy, but to do that, it's a really, really fine bead. It's high quality work. We're known in the industry as the go-to guys in WA. We probably do about 30% of the work on all caravans in WA. We're a very, very large repairer and we're very much at the high end. And the quality of our work is very, very similar to this. And again, that's why we feel we've got a good synergy with a brand who can do what we can do. It's a step above everything that we've been looking at for quite some time. For us so far, these guys have really been the ones to pick. The other thing we're looking for as well is service and backup. 12 months ago we met these guys, we flew over here to Melbourne to have a chat. Looked at becoming a dealer and thought, look, let's really build a relationship first. We've sold lots of caravans in the past and not been backed up by the people who built them. So far these guys promised to be very good and they've backed that up. Having done their warranty work for 12 months, we can very much say that they are very much onto it. The parts arrive before the customer does. Everything's really well organised. Authorities to proceed are really, really quick and everything's streamlined and easy for the customer. So I think the best part about it is the end user gets to enjoy the caravan without the hassle and you get to know it's a good, strong, reliable investment. So after all the research that we've done, and believe me, we've been thorough, we're very, very happy to recommend Wonderland Caravans. If you're looking for something good, strong, smart looking, well packaged, that would be your choice for sure.